Hello students, today we are here with our worksheet number 21 from the Directorate of Education, that is from our chapter The Fundamental Unit of Life, and today we discuss about nucleus and chromosome. Student Jigyasa has prepared a temporary mount slide of an onion peel and cheek cell, and he observed the following under the compound microscope, and he observed these diagrams. You can see here, this is the diagram of onion peel cell and this is the picture of our cheek cells, human cheek cells. Now Jigyasa asks a question to the Gyan. Gyan, what are these dark spots in above slideshow and what are their functions? Student, can you focus on that? There are dark points in each and every cell. Here also. Gyan reply, Didi, these are called the nucleus of cell. What is this, student? Nucleus of the cell. And these having a covering. And this covering is called nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane, student, has small pores in it, and through these pores they allow the transfer of material in and out of the nucleus. Nucleus is called the brain or the controller of the cell. As the brain in our body control all the functions of our body, in the same way, student, nucleus is called the brain of the cell, as it control and direct the cell functions. It control all the function and also it direct the cell to do the functions. Student, nucleus has many functions here. First one is cell division. It help in cell division. It helps in the growth of the cell, protein and enzyme synthesis. It also helps in the storage of DNA. What is the full name of DNA, student? That is deoxyribonucleic acid. And what is the full name of RNA? That is ribonucleic acid. It also helps in the production of the ribosome in the cell. Okay, these are the following function of the nucleus. Got it? Let's move on. Jigyasa asks Gyan, what are chromosome and their functions inside a cell? Didi, there are entangled thread-like structures. There are thread-like structures, students, and these thread-like structures are called chromatin material, and this material is found in the nucleus. This material is made up of DNA and protein, and when our cell begins divide, this material align itself in the form of rod-like structure called chromosomes. You can see the diagram also, students. This thread-like entangled structure is called chromatin, and when they arrange itself in the form of the rod, they are called chromosomes. Okay. There are two types of cells, students, and two types of organisms we read in the last worksheet. The first one is our prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell is primitive type of cell. So here the nucleus is present but without any membrane. And without any membrane, the nucleus is known as nucleoid. What is this? Nucleoid. But in eukaryotic cell, nucleus is covered by the nuclear membrane. Got it? And in prokaryotic cell, only one chromosome is present, but in eukaryotic cell, a large number of chromosomes present. What are these numbers, student? 46 or 23 pairs of chromosome. The number of chromosome is fixed. Number of chromosome is fixed in an organism. In an human being, these are 46 or the 23 pairs. What are the genes? Student, what are genes? The functional segment of DNA on the chromatin is called genes. And what are the function of chromosome? The chromosomes contain information for the inheritance of feature from parent to their next generation. Okay. It means If a child resembles its parents, it means it is the information given us to by the chromosome. So chromosome contain the information and the features from parent to their next generation. So this is today's worksheet, and what we read in today's worksheet about the nucleus. What is nucleus? The brain of the cell. And what are the function of nucleus, students? It control and direct the function of cell. It helps in the cell division. It help in the cell growth, protein and enzyme synthesis. It also store DNA, RNA and produce ribosomes. And what are the chromosomes, students? The thread-like structures present in the nucleus is called chromatin, and when these chromatin convert itself into rod-like structure during cell division, these are called our chromosomes. Okay. Next, what is the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell? Student, prokaryotic cell, the nucleus is without any membrane, and eukaryotic, the nucleus is covered by nuclear membrane. In prokaryotic, only one chromosome present, but in eukaryotic, more than one chromosome present. For example, in human being, there are 23 pairs of chromosome, that means 46. What is the function of chromosome? It tells us about the inheritance. Inheritance means the transfer of parental character to the offspring. Now let's move to its exercise. What is the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic nucleus? So students, we discuss about it. Prokaryotic carry primitive nucleus and eukaryotic carry nucleus with membrane. Prokaryotics only have one chromosome and eukaryotics have more than one chromosome. Okay. Second one. What is the full form of DNA and RNA, and where is DNA found in the cell? So student, the full form of DNA and RNA is given below, given above in the first paragraph. Here is the your answer, that is the deoxyribonucleic acid and ribonucleic acid. This is the answer of your second question, student. And the second part of the second question is, where is DNA found in the cell? So DNA found in the nucleus, in the chromatin. Okay. DNA is found in the nucleus of the cell. Question number third. What is the number of chromosome in human being? What is the number of chromosomes, students, in human being? That is our 46, or we can say that 23 pairs. How many pairs of chromosome are present in us? 23 pairs. What are genes and where they are located? So student, this is your answer. The functional segment of DNA on the chromatin is called gene. So this is the answer of your third question. And they are located in nucleus. Where they are located? They are located in nucleus. They are located in nucleus. And what are genes? The functional segment of DNA is genes. Write any two functions of nucleus. So there are many functions of nucleus. You can write any two of them. Okay students, any two functions from there. Cell division, cell growth, protein and enzyme synthesis, storage of DNA. There are very large number of functions. You can write two of them. So I think this worksheet is clear up to you, that what is the nucleus, what is chromatin, what is chromosome, and what is DNA and RNA, and what about gene. If this worksheet is liked by you, then please share among your friend circle and subscribe our channel Learning Light to get the first notification of the next worksheet. Thank you.